Hey everyone, Cade Courtley here for Patriots. For this New Year's Eve, I wanted to talk about some resolutions that will get you prepared for the coming year. Now, I've covered a lot of physical things in the past I consider necessities in terms of actual survival. And while those kinds of checklists are important, I'll be covering more of a survival mindset here because a strong mind is the greatest survival tool you could ever have. So let's get into it. Number 5, be brutally honest about your preparedness plan. Take stock of everything you've got to hunker down for at least a couple of weeks or longer. This means being covered on survival food, water, backup power, medication, first aid, and security. If you can, have a bug out plan just in case you need to evacuate. Talk over your plans with family and friends so those closest to you can take part or at least know and understand your survival blueprint. Number 4, focus on what you can control. Remember this time last year, nobody had any idea we'd be facing a global pandemic in just a few short months, but here we are. We don't have much control over things like virus outbreaks or natural disasters, but we can control how we prepare, and that will make all the difference. Number 3, have a tactical mindset. Now, I'm talking about having situational awareness at all times, being vigilant even in situations that seem normal. Stay alert, take note of your surroundings, observe the people in your environment, and have a plan for how to get out of there. Don't get caught off guard, especially in crowded places. Being proactively wired to tackle an emergency will help tilt the odds in your favor if the worst happens. Number 2, get to know your neighbors. Unless you're way out in the sticks, it's a good idea to make being crisis ready a community effort. This can be as simple as making sure you know who your neighbors are and exchanging phone numbers to all-out survival drills if others can get on board. Now, each community will be different, but if your neighborhood is facing an emergency or threat, strength in numbers is always better than dealing with something on your own. Number 1, kick fear to the curb. FDR once said, "We have nothing to fear but fear itself." And he was right. Fear is a natural human reaction to a crisis situation, but if you've prepared for it, you'll have a greater sense of confidence that you'll make it to the other side in one piece. I'd also say it's a good idea to totally unplug from social media and TV sometimes. The media can really tie you up in knots. Stay informed, but don't let the headlines wreak havoc on your mindset. Just taking a few extra steps to prepare can make a life or death difference when catastrophe lands on your doorstep. Now, you don't have to be a Navy SEAL to have a solid survival plan. You just need to get organized, take action, and don't let your emotions cloud your judgment. You'll be amazed at the peace of mind you'll have when you step up your survival game and inspire others to do the same. Now, I want you to be a survivor, not a statistic. For that to happen, you have to control what you can and leave little to chance. So in the new year, commit to getting prepared. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.